Well, that's one way to clear the runway. Get the. This is the RC Jet Jog. Ooh. Oh, I just broke it. Alright guys, Jet Jock here. We have the Flitework Pilatus PC-6. We got some guests photobombing in the background. We got Beluga Girl sneezing behind the camera. We're a big fat mess today, but nevertheless, it is maiden time. Now, I know we had discussed in the past what had happened, what we thought had happened, and it looks like it was just a bad ESC. We put 130 amp bad boy in this thing, so we're ready to go. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's scare these guys. Ready? Watch this. Ready? 3, 2, and... All right. Taxiing out. Let's start this. We're gonna do a little on board too. All right.
Peeps.
Ready?
Yep.
What's that?
Wow.
That got off quick.
That didn't take much air runway.
A little bit of turn. So I fixed that. That looks good. All right. It's a little windy up there. How's it looking, Luger Girl?
Good.
Okay, I'm gonna do a low pass with no flaps. How'd that one look coming by? Did you see it at all?
Mm-hmm.
I know it was a little boingy.
I saw it.
Gotta get used to flying this girl again, you know?
That wasn't bouncing. Yeah.
She's gonna slow down real good once we get those flaps in. Speaking of, let's go ahead and drop them over top of us and test out. What do you think?
Mm-hmm.
Want to test out those flaps?
Sure.
Okay. That's flaps approach. Look like they came down evenly. I didn't like that.
How about you land it?
Oh, it's fine, clean. I'm gonna try full flaps this time.
Wow, she really slowed down.
Good looking plane, huh?
Mm-hmm. You
Ooh.
landing?
That was a cactus.
Ow!
The foggy conditions and everything are playing tricks on me.
Do you think the nose crashed?
I don't know.
Or is the nose still on?
No, everything's good.
Wow, that's a strong plane. But it teared up some cactus for us.
Yeah, it did do that.
Good plane.
Yeah, we look good.
Were you trying to land?
Yeah, I was attempting to land.
Man, that really was strong.
Yeah. All right, well, let me get it back on the runway and let's try it again. Look, there's like cactus juice right there. Yeah, everything feels good. One of the landing gear looks loose, so I'm just gonna pop it in back to place and let's get a real landing on video, right?
How about you take off and then land?
Yeah, that's what we're gonna do.
Take off and land.
I'm just making sure everything is still attached and still strong, and we're not gonna have any surprises.
This is one strong wooden airplane.
Yeah, it really kind of is. Let's get this back under there.
Coots.
Okay, I just need to bang that one wheel back into position real quick.
That one. Oh yeah.
There we go. We're back into position there. Everything else seems pretty strong, so let's go for round number 2.
Now I am not getting hurt by that propeller. I'm
No. Let's not get hurt by the propeller. That'd be a bad day. All right, well, now, I know, guys, that kind of looked intentional probably to the video, but whoo, my eyes are playing tricks on me.
Ready.
Oh, that plane flies nice.
Now land it after this. Coming in for a landing, right?
Get over a little bit more this time, like on the runway, right?
Yeah. Please don't go into the cactus plane. Begging you, don't. Good job.
All right, guys, well, there you have it. Our Remaiden of the Red Bull Pilatus P6, or PC-6 made by Fliteworks. I hope you enjoyed that flight. Give Beluga Girl some love on the camera over there. And guys, please like, share, and subscribe, and we hope to have many more awesome flights with the PC-6. We'll see you later. Bye.
Bye.
All right.